Look at that. It's a shark. Good morning. It's time for Bugsy's once a week drive round the block, and also today will be the next round of the PP game. Past profession game if you didn't know. Right, let me get this cover off. Right, let's see if these covers are doing their job. Everything looks present and correct. Let's see what the interior's like. Yeah, looks pretty dry. Right, let's start them up, get them ready for a wee drive. Gonna need more clothes. Back in a minute. That's better. I should probably put a hat on, but I've just had my hair done. Right, let's go. Oh, I really should put the windows in, right? But that would be sensible. One more thing. Let's go. It is coffee o'clock.
Can I help you?
I can buy a medium double, please.
Medium double?
Yeah,
Anything else?
that's all, thanks.
185.
Okay.
Hi there. Nice car.
Thank you.
185.
Onward, or homeward. Bit of overrun there, but that's okay. Also got a bit of metallic squeaking going on, but I think that's just down to the cold. And also the lack of rubber insulation between body panels. Yeah, I never got around to that. Okay, that was fun. It is now time for round 11 of
The PP game.
On the last round, I asked if I was a Tesco shelf stocker, chip shop fryer, or a dance floor installer. I was in fact a dance floor installer. I was working with Ian Norman, a friend from Scotland, installing vinyl dance floors for all sorts of events. Okay, on to the next round. Now I'm going to speed things up a bit because I've still got a pile of jobs to get through. So on this round, I'm going to ask which of the following jobs I did not do in a past life. Okay, was I A, not a hotel night porter? B, not a Kirby salesman? C, not a racetrack marshal? As always, leave your answer in the comments section below or on the Facebook group Scott Rod's Garage. And remember, you are choosing A, B or C, the job that you think I didn't do, okay? So that means I did the other two. Get it? Good. Okay, I better get the cover back in Bugsy and I'll see you next week for the weekly winter shakedown. Take care, bye.